Unleash your inner visual alchemist and transform your photographs into AI-powered masterpieces. Today, we're diving into Midjourney, a powerful AI tool that can revolutionize how you approach photography. Forget traditional editing. We're talking about creating entirely new visual realities. First, let's explore stylistic imitation. Think of it as having a digital collaborator who understands every nuance of your favorite photographers by describing the style you want. The lighting, the composition. Midjourney can generate images that evoke that iconic aesthetic. See how it captures the essence. This isn't just about filters. It's about learning and replicating artistic vision. Now, let's talk about environmental manipulation. Imagine placing your subject in any setting imaginable. Want to capture a serene nature scene? Or perhaps a futuristic cityscape? Simply describe the environment you envision, and Midjourney will seamlessly integrate your subject. The possibilities are limitless. You can transport your subjects to historical eras, fantastical realms, or even places that don't exist. Finally, let's amplify creative enhancement. This is where you go beyond replication and into true artistic invention. Combine elements, add unique textures, or inject surreal qualities. Think of adding a dynamic, abstract background to a portrait or incorporating unexpected visual motifs. Midjourney empowers you to experiment and discover visual concepts you might never have conjured otherwise. Midjourney turns photographic art into an exploration of AI-driven innovation, allowing you to push the boundaries of creativity. So, start prompting and see where your imagination takes you.